Well, 5 children in South Carolina are recovering this morning. They were hurt after a bouncy house goes airborne. Take a look. This is cell phone video of that frightening incident. The bouncy house was set up for a church's spring carnival when it got scooped up by a strong gust of wind, high enough for it to hit some power lines, with the kids, 5 of them, still inside. Some of them fell out, dropping nearly 30 feet, according to officials. All of these kids had to be hospitalized. Their conditions have not yet been released. And we are